Hey, hi, hello, welcome and welcome back. It's your girl Portia. All my friends call me Porsh, so you can call me Porsh too. So yeah, as you can see, I got some new hair. But you guys probably already know that. You saw my get ready with me. But yeah, so this is just going to be a quick little styling video. And yeah, I hope you guys like the video. So a little bit about this hair. I can't remember the name, but I got it off of Amazon. And I originally saw this hair from Kiki J. She reviewed this hair and she also did passion twists with this hair, and I did her method on putting these passion twists in. Now they're not perfect, they're a little loose, a little messy, but you know, it was my first time ever doing anything like this, so I'm pretty impressed. I'm pretty proud of myself. This is something that I don't normally do with my hair, so I'm pretty, you know, I'm digging it. It is 22 inches. I wanted to make sure that the hair was long enough because first things first, my hair in itself is already about maybe 18-20 inches. That's just my natural hair. So I definitely wanted to make sure that the braiding hair was a little bit longer than my actual natural hair. So this is 22 inches. I think it comes to like my waist area. I think my actual hair stops right here actually. Some of it is actually peeking out, so I think it stops like my natural hair stops maybe, well no, actually, yeah, I'm gonna leave all the specs down below. Let me tell you something, it took me a long time to get this hair, okay? Like a long time. It was supposed to be 1-day shipping. I ordered it on Amazon, and now I want to make it clear that it's not Amazon's fault, nor was it the seller's fault on Amazon that this took so long. It was honestly just UPS. UPS took forever to send this to me, and I have no idea why. But yeah, they did. So yeah, it took me like forever, and that's a little bit why my braiding isn't as crispy as it could be. It's because I braided my hair thinking that the hair was going to be there the next day, and it wasn't, and I had to wait like 2 or 3 days to get the hair. So you know, these braids are like slept on and all that other stuff, so but it's okay. But it's a lot of hair. It came with 7 packs. I think I used about 5. Yeah, about 5, because I have, I think, 2.5 left. And so if I ever want to like refresh the front or redo the front, I can do that. I love this hair. It's really heavy. It's not something that I'm used to. I think it's just something that I have to get used to. But yeah, no, I really like it. So tell me what you guys think. Don't roast me, y'all, because I know it's not perfect. It does not look perfect. If you came here to see some perfect passion twists, you definitely came to the wrong channel, the wrong video, the wrong everything. But if you want to see some good ones, I'm gonna link them down below. But yeah, this is the passion twist, and now we're just gonna get into the video of how I like to style them. And yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe if you want to see more. And yeah, until next time, bye guys.